Hey everybody, this is Larry. It is January 22nd in the year 2023, and I'm Larry. I don't know why I said it like that. We'll do a problem that I haven't done before. Today, let's just do a medium one. And yeah, how do I do? Okay, to do. Okay, let's do RNG, and here we go. Today's bonus Larry question is 758. Bold words in string is a premium question, so if you don't have it, well, now is your chance to take a look. So given a keyword an array of keywords words and a string s, make all appearances of all keywords I in s bold. Any letters between also becomes bold. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I see what they're trying to say here. It's a little awkward, but okay. I mean, the first thing that I'm going to do is just look at the complexity. This is a kind of awkward phrased sentence, and apparently there's a second problem that's similar. But yeah, but looking at the constraints, the length is only 500. That means that you can and only 10, oh no, only 50 words of length 10. You can just probably just do it for each one, right? And then kind of, so you could kind of do it this way and then merge the segment if you like. But you know, I think there are a lot of ways you can do this one. I think this is just a way, like the constraints doesn't make it interesting. You just need to do it, kind of thing. So that's kind of bold is equal to force times n, where n is equal to the length of words, and then yeah, right. I'm going to do this in a lazy way, and you can kind of do either rolling hash or KMP or something like this, like basically a linear string matching thing. But I'm not going to do that just because I'm lazy, to be honest. Or you know, maybe another way to say that is that I'm not going to prematurely optimize. If the optimization is needed, and I don't think that it is given these constraints, then I will go back and, you know, but I'm not going to do that prematurely, especially if I'm, you know, I mean, but that said, if you are at home and you want to kind of upsolve this problem, meaning that, okay, you submitted this, you solved it, and you're like, okay, can I learn more things from this, right? Well, then I will look up KMP, or, you know, I mean, like a string matching algorithm, or a rolling hash or something like this. And then, you know, yeah. Well, you can actually do it for word. Maybe I like this a little bit better. So if s sub I plus t, where t is the length of word, is equal to word, then yeah. Yeah, I mean, it should be okay. I mean, I'm just double checking the constraints, but it should be okay. And then it goes bold of I plus j is equal to true. That's basically it. And then now we just go through everything again. So yeah. First, if both sub I and not both sub I minus 1, something like this, right? Then answer dot append this thing. Otherwise, and append what's it? Word sub I. Oh no, s sub I. Whoops. And then also conversely, if not both sub I and I is equal to n minus 1. No, maybe I have to phrase it a little bit differently. So if both sub, if both sub I and not both sub I plus 1, or I plus 1 is equal to n, and not or not rather. Then append. Right. Let's see. Really? Wouldn't that by definition? But maybe not. Maybe this kind of cuts it off a little bit. So okay. So if I plus t is less than n and this, that's kind of an awkward way to match though. Do I have an off by one? Okay, I just kind of straight up deleted letters for some reason. Like how do I only have two things? Also, I don't like. This should be like a return statement, not an output, because it's kind of confusing with standard out or something. But how do I even get AA? Like they should just return everything, right? Like why would this s sub I is right? Yeah. Oh, like even if these don't do anything, we should. Right? Oh, what is it? Larry, what are you doing? Why is that end so weird? And maybe that's why this thing was crashing. I was like, how does that even match if that's the case? Okay. So this is a easy debug, because then now we can at least check to see whether the boolean. So the boolean is right. So that means that our printing is wrong. So that's just the second part. This is bolded and not. Oh, why did I have a not here? I think I meant to have not here, but then I kind of got confused and then left it in. Submit. Oh no, I probably should have tested one more. But let's see. I mean, I was a little bit kind of YOLO, where I was a little bit lazy on that one. Huh. Let's see. I guess this I have an off by one here. Oh yeah, I do have an off by one here. Okay, whoops. Because I don't think I I don't think I needed this, but then I don't know. I think I misunderstood it earlier, so then it just kind of got lazy. Yeah, this is gonna be multiple times slower than a better solution. Mostly, well, one is that you could do this in linear, but this comparison makes it another O of n factor length longer, maybe a little bit shorter. O of not n, but the max of the length, which is 10. So maybe this is like 10 times slower for that, and then it does another loop, so like maybe 100 times slower, because this is 10, and then maybe this is just I mean, they're not multiplied, but so this is just like 20 times slower or something like this, right? Where you probably could have done it with because if you do it with rolling hash, you also know that if they match, you know when they last matched, so then you don't have to go, like, you don't do duplicate work, which is where you save the timing from. But that's kind of like annoying to write, so I guess I'm happy with this for now. If it works, it works. Don't prematurely optimize. Don't prematurely test, so you cannot make a mistake that I did. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Have a great beginning of the week and the rest of the week. Bye bye.